share visual content right within Canva. Yep. Over at sales, one of my favourite departments, we showcase how data autofill, recordings, insights and analytics can help sales team maximise engagement and close more deals.
And in marketing, we unveiled Bolt Create, ad tech integrations and the marketing work kit, empowering marketers to create better campaigns, speed up time to market and convert more customers. It's really cool. And finally, we revealed a fresh and focused Canva with our Glow Up. And to access this reimagined Canva, we have a very special surprise for you. So please welcome from our product team, Nicola.
Hey everyone, that's right Mel. It wouldn't be a brand new Canva without a little magic. And I'm excited to say that your key to unlock the Canva Glow Up is hiding somewhere in homepages around the world right now. If you want to be one of the first million people to access the Glow Up, all you have to do is knock 7 times and the Glow Up will be yours. 7 times. Exactly where you knock, I'm going to leave for you to work out. But you'll have to be quick to find it.
Very exciting, thank you so much.
Guys, excited tayo. Tignan natin dito yung sinasabi nilang surprise ni Canva. In-announce sila doon sa Canva Create. Tignan natin yung surprise. Okay. So, 1,000,000 lang daw na user yun para makapag-access. Knock 7 times. Eh, ito lang naman. Let's try this. Knock 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, guys. Okay, ito yun. So, ano to? You found the Canva Glow Up. Yes, congratulations finding early access to our Glow Up. It's one of the first to experience it. And we can't wait for you to have a play and to hear your thoughts. Yes, papasok tayo guys. Proceed na tayo dito. Ayan na. Try natin. Open na natin siya. Wow. Wow, pang 23,000 tayo. Wow, ano tsura? Oh. Continue. Yay! Wow, ganda na ng bagong homepage nila. Okay. Thank you, Canva. Yes, pang 23,000 tayo. So guys, katok-katok na.